For today's video, we're going to create a bio link website. This is also known as that LinkTree. So we're going to jump in on Canva. We're going to use our free account. Let's do this. Welcome content creators and entrepreneurs to African Multi-Design, a channel dedicated in giving you tips, tool reviews, as well as tutorials. Today's tutorial is all about the LinkTree lookalike, and we're going to be adding links where we go to different websites, and we're also going to add a beautiful picture of yourself, and this is very nice and it's free and you can use it on your Instagram. So let's jump in and start creating one. From your home page on Canva, search for website, and once you get a view of the websites that are available, choose the one that says bio link website, and then you are going to be given templates of all the bio link websites that are available, free as well as paid version. So you know the one that says pro, that means the template you need to either be on pro version. When you hover and you see free, that's the one that you can use if you want to use the free option. I saw a couple of free options, so you can scroll down and pick the one that you would like to use. So I'm going to select this one that we're going to be using, and we're going to jump in and tweak it to make it our own. So the first thing that you would do is you would click on the background picture and delete that, and you would also take off the picture of the lady, and then you would click on the background and change it to the color that suits your brand. So usually my color is purple, so I'm going to choose that purple for now, and then I'm going to click on the elements and I'm going to look for a frame. So I'm going to scroll down and go to frames where it says see all, and I want to go find a frame that has the white border outside it, this one. I'm going to click once and drag it to the middle here, and it picks up a yellow outline. So if you want to change that, you click on color and you make it white. So this square border I'm going to take off, and I'm going to bring the frame a little bit up. I'm going to change the name. So this is where you would change your name and add your name to the template here. Next, I'm going to click on this button that we've given. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger because I would like to add text on here and add it and make it my own. I'm going to make it white, change this text, make it black, and then write my little story of who I am and what I would like to say to the world when I'm introducing myself on my landing page or the LinkTree. Next, I'm going to go to my uploads and I'm going to find a picture of myself. Make sure that it has a clear background, and you know you can do that on the remove BG if you don't have a pro version of Canva, and you drop your picture on there. Then I just want to bring this links a little bit up, and I want to make it a little bit big so that when people click on them, these are the only 3 that I would like to use. You can have more. You can tweak it and make it your own, and you can have 5 if you want. So it's up to you. I'm just showing you the amazing possibilities with our beautiful Canva. So the first one, I want them to visit my YouTube channel, nice and big. The next one, I'm happy with the blog. And the third one, I'm happy if they say hello. So now here comes the trick. You want all of these to be links. So how you add links, you click on the words or the text, and you click on these 3 dots which are ellipses, and you click on this link. Then you go find your YouTube channel or whichever platform you want to send your customers to. You go copy the link there, and then you paste the link over there where it says link, and you enter. Just take note that it gives automatically a line underneath. If you don't want the line, you can just click on it, go back to the ellipses, there's the underline. you just untick the underline and it takes the underline away. So you would do exactly the same for the blog, you would do exactly the same for the social media platform that you would like to send them to say hello to you. If you want to add more fun stuff, like I did, you can always go to your elements and look for flowers like I did. Search for flowers and look for graphics in your flowers, and then you can add fun flowers on your design so that it's not so sad, you know. You can add flowers like I did and make it your own. I don't know, something that makes you happy. I mean, it is your landing page like this. It's just a thought of having fun stuff. You can have a bag, you can have cookies, you can whatever you like. This is yours. So once you're done, you go to where it says publish as a website, and when you're on publish as a website, you can choose the presentation view. The presentation view is publishing it as a presentation, and it looks like that. So if you click and you scroll, you get to view the different kinds of publishing or how people are going to view this BioLink website online. So the best option is the scrolling, because the scrolling looks like that whether it is on desktop or laptop or on mobile. It picks up that if it's on your mobile, it will pick up exactly like on your editor on Canva. So once you're done, it will look like this. And when people click on the links, people get to view your links and they get to view you. So some of your links, Canva will warn your customers to say that you're about to leave Canva. So you need to be aware of that as well. That some of the links, people might get a notification to say you're leaving the Canva. If they continue and they click yes, they would be able to view whatever link you've added on for them. So what I want to just quickly show you is when you publish your website, and let's say we choose the scrolling, then Canva would then give you a link that looks like that. Let me just show you how the link looks like. Okay. So the free website URL that Canva is going to give you, it looks like that. It's a long looking URL. You're welcome to use it and share it, no problem at all. However, if you want to shorten this, you can use bit.ly or you can use tiny URL. I'll leave the link name of this website on the description below. But in any case, when you're on the tiny URL, you just paste that Canva link that you got given over there, and you then customize it and you give it a name. Then I would type Lady Z over there or whatever your business name is, and then you click make tiny URL. What then this website does, it would create a small URL like that looks like, let me show you, that looks like this. It will change all this longish URL and give you a small one that starts with tinyurl.com and then the name that you would have given to the customizing that you did over there. And that brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you next time, and if I'm adding value, please consider subscribing. I'll see you next time.